Hi there. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect cup of coffee using French press. We have Carococo coffee beans roasted by me. These beans are from Chikmagalur, and today we are going to take 16 grams of coffee, and we'll be taking 1:15 for making a beautiful French press. I'll be using a chestnut grinder to grind the coffee. The grind size of the coffee will be just like brown sugar, not too coarse and not too fine. It will be medium coarse. Every barista has its own recipe. It totally depends on the coffee, the brew time, and the profile, the flavor, the taste. So let's begin with taking the water temperature at 90 degrees Celsius. So this is a medium light roast coffee. We'll be taking 16 grams for a single cup. Smell beautiful. This coffee has medium acidity. It has bold flavors. So we have coffee grounds. I have used medium coarse. 16 gram of coffee I'll be using, and we'll be taking a recipe of 1:15, which means 1 gram coffee has 15 ml of water. I'll be using this beautiful French press. French press is also known as an immersion brew or plunger coffee. So basically it helps to extract good acidity, a decent amount of flavors, a bold body. This coffee is a medium roast, 100% Arabica. So what I'll do, I'll put 16 grams of coffee grounds in the French press. This coffee smells very nutty. It has a decent amount of chocolate smell, Indian spices. This coffee is from Norway state, and this is a natural washed processed coffee. And we have roasted this coffee to a medium dark profile and to an end temperature of around 204 degrees Celsius. Water is ready to 90 degrees Celsius. For first 45 ml will be the blooming. So basically I'll start the bloom. Bloom basically helps in extracting the gases which are in the coffee. This is known as a blooming phase. I'll give it a small mix so that all my coffee grounds are properly wet. Smells very fruity, nutty. After 35-40 seconds of bloom, I'll start my pour. So we'll keep this very simple. 240 ml of water is used. It has a very fruity smell, and I'll cover it with the plunger. Brew time will take around 4 to 6 minutes. So basically I'll take 5 minutes for this coffee. As I told you, every coffee has a different way of extraction. For this we have used medium roast, so we'll take around 5 minutes of extraction time. After 5 minutes, I'll slowly put this plunger. It's been 3 minutes now. After 5 minutes exactly, I'll start pressing this plunge. I am using Japanese origami sensory cups to taste the profile of this coffee. Basically these are sensory evaluation cups, and this will exactly tells me how much the acidity of the coffee is. We generally do cupping while roasting the coffee, and then we use these sensory cups to evaluate the acidity, body, and the sweetness in the coffee. So there are many types of these sensory cups. I'll be using this one. So it's 5 minutes now. I'll slowly press this plunger. I don't want to disturb the ground particles and slowly let's evaluate the coffee. I'll use this cupping spoon. This coffee has medium body with a very clean aftertaste. Has very fruity smell. So you can enjoy this coffee with a very simple technique of French press or with a hand grinder and enjoy this amazing cup with a very bold and medium acidic coffee at home. So this coffee has a medium acidity with a very bold taste with a very long lasting aftertaste. You can buy these beans directly from Zomato. We also have our website, which is carococoroasters.com. You can also buy directly from the website or from the Zomato. It is available, and enjoy a cup of coffee from Carococo Coffee Roasters at home. And also we have a kit available which includes a French press and coffee beans. You can check our website, and soon we'll be launching these amazing combos on our website and Zomato's, Swiggy. All links are given in the description of this video. Thank you.